MacBook Pro screen replacement. Alright. This should be extremely complicated for no reason whatsoever. Alright, so today we got ourselves a MacBook Pro. It's a couple years old. I think this is a 2020 model, if I remember right. This is an Apple A2338. So let's go ahead and work on getting this apart. On the bottom, we're going to have different screw lengths basically across the board. We have a total of 6 screws. We got a long one on the edge, 2 short ones. We got another long one over here. And then these rear ones should be like super duper long. Nope, same length. Nope, they're a little bit longer. So this is one of those things where when you're taking this apart, it's 100% like, hey, you need to pay attention to what's going on with these. Because if you don't, you're gonna have a bad day. Alright, now comes the real actual hard part of this, which is getting this thing open. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. All right. When this goes back together, it goes down and then slides back. All right. Now we go with the nightmare. Lots of little screws on this guy. I'm gonna, I guess, kind of have to go through this verbally with you guys. All right, so once you have the bottom off with those 4 individual screws, then we're gonna take these hinge covers off. There are 2 little tiny screws in each corner. They are this, what size is this? They are Torx T3s, and then you have 1, 2, 3 connector covers you need to take off, each having 2 individual screws. And then you're going to use a spudger. Where's my good one? There's my good one. There's another 2 screws on there that need to get removed. And they look like they're a little bit larger Torx. This size. So this is T5s. I think they're part of these cables. That one came out. 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 1, 2, 3. Those mornings, aren't I? Battery connector. Okay. That's it. That's how you disconnect the battery on this. It's just that little metal flap right there. Then we remove all of these. Alright, so there's an antenna cable I need to worry about here. Hinge. It's been a long time since I've taken apart a Mac, so this is completely different than what I did last time. I'm verifying stuff as I'm doing it here. Change. The Wi-Fi cable that I need to remove is right here. Put that back on. Now we have the antenna assembly to do. Guy's a tiny boy. Oh, this is a lot of screws. Thankfully, these aren't different lengths. Can you imagine? Why would Apple do something like that? So that's those guys. Some goes here. I need to gently lift this out of here. I keep thinking that there's some screws underneath there, but I don't think there is. Belt bending. Belt bending. This has to go back in. So, got another screw holding that in. Antennae. Goes there. And now alright, there's that. There are some things on this that I don't know. Oh, there they are. That's the bad one. Here's the good one. Alright. Over. Flip it down. Alright, so. Now we do this in reverse. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.